ViewBite.
Did you know that some miniature food models are so detailed they can make your mouth water just by looking at them? Creating these tiny delicacies requires not just skill, but an immense amount of patience and precision. Imagine a sushi roll so small it could fit on a dime, yet every grain of rice is perfectly placed. The vibrant colors and textures used in miniature food creation are what bring these tiny dishes to life. From the glossy sheen on a miniature burger to the delicate folds of a tiny lettuce leaf, every detail matters. Artists often spend hours, sometimes days, working on a single piece to ensure it looks just right. The process begins with selecting the right materials, often clay or resin, to mimic the appearance of real food. Then it's all about shaping, painting, and assembling each component with the utmost care. The result, a collection of miniature foods so realistic you'd swear they were edible. This art form not only showcases the creator's skill, but also their love for food and miniatures. Whether it's a tiny pizza with all the toppings or a diminutive dessert, each piece tells a story. The popularity of miniature food creation has soared, thanks in part to social media where these tiny treasures are shared. It's a testament to how creativity and craftsmanship can come together to create something truly mesmerizing. So next time you see a miniature food model, take a moment to appreciate the artistry behind it. The journey from a simple lump of clay to a lifelike miniature is filled with challenges and triumphs. Each artist brings their unique perspective, making every miniature food model one of a kind. The textures, colors, and shapes are all carefully considered to achieve the perfect illusion. Some artists even go as far as to create miniature versions of entire meals, complete with plates and utensils. The dedication to realism is astounding, with some miniatures indistinguishable from their real-life counterparts. This meticulous attention to detail is what sets miniature food creation apart as a form of art. It's not just about making something small, it's about capturing the essence of the food in miniature form. The satisfaction of completing a piece, of seeing it come to life under your hands, is unparalleled. For those who appreciate the finer things in life, miniature food models are a delightful curiosity. They remind us of the beauty in the small things, the joy in creation, and the endless possibilities of imagination. As this art form continues to grow in popularity, we can only imagine what tiny delicacies artists will dream up next.
ViewBite. Quick clips, big ideas. Subscribe and spark your next thought.